I did a thing. Taylor's mom has been doing Stitch Fix for a few months now, and she already warned me that it might be wrong for a few months while they try to figure me out, but I don't even know. I haven't even figured out my own style, so I'm open to ideas. We'll see how this goes. Okay, so I don't know how this stuff like really works. Oh, cute. So I realize I'm a small person, but this box is really tiny. I think I was expecting a bigger box. Scarlett did one and they gave her like 30 pieces, and the adult one, they don't give you as many, although I could fit into her clothing, so maybe I should do a child's one. Okay, this is cool. They suggest how you style these items. Okay, first off, we have jeans. I don't even know that I need new jeans, but they look exactly like the ones that I wear. Literally. Taylor says there's more holes. Okay. Studio blue. Let's see how much they want for this. $68. I don't think I would spend that much, but we'll see how they fit. Item number 2. Oh, this is soft. It's a dress. They want $38 for that. That's not bad. Okay. This is cute. A shirt. Cute. $46. And a shirt that I don't know if I would wear. For that, they want $46. Okay, last thing, jewelry. Bracelets. They're little cuffs. These are cute. Okay. Oh, the gold one's actually really cute with this ring. Right? Okay, time to try this on. First things first, I thought this was coming tomorrow, so I didn't plan to look good for this, so my apologies. Okay, these jeans. Studio blue distressed jeans. They're okay. They fit a little loose. And they kind of just look too similar to my other ones that I wear. And I'm not digging the color. It's too light for me. The shirt, I kind of feel like an old lady. It's cute, but it's like the length of it or something where it ends. I don't like. I think it's a no and a no. This I could work with. Oh, so you could wear it like a normal. Oh. I like it. All right, last thing. I typically don't wear dresses like this because it makes me look like this, and I'm not. But this one, at least, like because of my boobs, it doesn't just hang out and make me look way bigger than I am. This one actually curves in. The length is a little weird, but I don't think I'm gonna keep the bracelets. They're cute, but the bangle feels like it's gonna fall off all the time. This one, I'll contemplate. Let me know what you think.